The first thing that you need to take care of the most is your Islam, your religion, your Islam. You have to take care of it more than anything. Quran, Tasbih, Salah, everything that comes under the heading of Islam will be a responsibility on you to be taken care of first. The second thing is that nothing can be compared to Islam. No priority can be compared to the priority of Islam. The priority you give to Islam. Islam is a thing that can't be compared with something. So you need to spend the greatest amount of time in Islam. The first thing. Second priority is your parents. Islam instructs about taking care of your parents, respecting your parents, loving them, caring about them. This is our responsibility, and we should feel proud to have such parents that have raised us up to be such a good human. Then you say that our studies, our relatives, our friends. No. Your parents come first, and your parents come many times before your other priorities. You need to take care of them, you need to love them. And I know it would be so awkward to say that, because loving them is such a natural thing, such a natural act. So basically the point to say is that they are your second priority after Islam, after Allah. The third thing is your relatives and your studies. The third priority is sometimes complicated, because some people think that studies come first, relatives come first, friends come first, this comes first, this comes last. So today we can clear all this concept. So your relatives and your studies are your third priority. You need to balance between your relations and your studies. Do not let yourself be plunged into relations and these type of things so much that you forget about your studies. And don't think that your study is just important but not the relatives.